Hello, my name is Miss, and I just saw your post, and I thought I might be able to help you a little bit on the way on your project. It's gonna take a few tries for you maybe, but let's try a little trick that might be able make you able to do this. We start by deleting the cube here, and I'll jump down here, then make a mesh circle. And let's say 1 centimeter, perhaps. And let's just say 12 here. And now we got this ring. I will go to a front view here. Perhaps I can select my shortcuts so you can see them down here in the corner. Now I'll take this and I will rotate this from the side. I'll rotate it 45 degrees like this, and then I will move it out here to the side. I can then take this and add a modifier, which is an array modifier, and I will just apply transformation because otherwise this will not work. Apply all transformations like this, and my modifier I want to go up, so let's put this and this to 0 here, like this. And you have 4 lines in your wire, so we'll just set this to 4 wires so you get this. You can then go into add screw modifier, and the screw modifier here you can select how far this is going to go, and 360 of course. So let's turn this up a bit like this, and you see we need to separate our tubes a bit, so we go up here and say 2.5, that's a bit too much, 1.8, they're still joined, 2.2, and now our tube is about to be separated a little bit, 2.6, like this. We have a little bit of space in between the tubes, you see, and then we tell it how far we need this to go in the screw modifier, because if you're going to fill this in between each other, you need some space. So 10 centimeters is not enough. Perhaps we need to go 20 or something, and we might need to move it a little bit out, but we'll take a look at that in a minute. Then if you go up here to your screw modifier, you can set your iterations, which means it will practically duplicate itself. So as you see, and we need the same space here as we need here, because we need to go down again. So we need to make this a little further like this. And that looks pretty okay. Then you go to front view and select a curve, Bezier curve. And I'll just start by going to edit and delete the 2 vertices. And then I will hold down Control and use right mouse to click up my curve. Like this. For example, so we have a little curve. It's not perfect, but yeah, it will get the job done for now. Like this. I can then take this here and add a deform curve modifier, and in the deform curve modifier I will select the curve we just made, and we need to change the angle down here to the z-axis. As you see now, the wire is following the curve, and if I go into the modifier for the screw and add the iterations, you will see it is growing along my curve. And then, of course, you can go into edit on the curve and you can try move around the points. And of course, you need a few tries to do this to get it correctly. But if you move the points around here, you can also move so you can get it to fit in between. And you see, we need a little more spacing, but you're actually going the right way. Let's take this up here and move it a tad. But again, a little more adjustment, I think this would be able to help you to get further on your project. That's it for now, and good luck.